Start another preliminary examination.
From the land of the keyboard warriors, from BS Computer Science, the fanboy of SB19, my name is 18 Andrew, Troy Andrew Soriano, your hosts for today. At dyan na rin nagtatapos ang termino ng huling CCS Student Council. My name is Troy Soriano. Maraming salamat. We're now signing off. Morning po.
Sama kayo.
Ayos po. Responsible for deep investigation of incidents and advise remediation or action to be taken.
Okay. So what I'm presenting you here is
Maghanap ako ng mapapag-cash inan. Kasi